What is up, everyone? This is Too Slow. Today I'm going to be installing the Pioneer TS-A1606C speakers for the front doors on my Corolla XRS. They're actually, crap. They actually look pretty good. Here they are. You get a bag of screws. Looks like some tape, some sticky tape for the tweeter pods. And here are the speakers. And here are your, I don't know what these are called. Are these called crossovers? I'm not too sure. I don't know what the exact term for these are, but you get two of them. You get your tweeters. You get the speakers themselves, which are pretty big. And yeah, here are the tweeter pods. You get this tweeter pod. But I'm not gonna be using these. I'm just gonna be using these. I'm not gonna have no use for them, so I'm just probably gonna just leave them, set them to the side, because I'm just gonna put these where the original Corolla ones go, replace them, and let's go ahead and install these. So in order to take off the door panel, you first want to start with this right here. You want to pull from the top like that. See? Comes off. Now you got a Phillips head screw in there. So get a Phillips head and just start taking it out. It's that simple. Come out of there. And so out comes that. Set that aside. And next you want to pull up on this. Just pull up on it with no fear. So there it goes. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Should probably get my tripod. There it goes. It's fine. We're fine. And you got 1, 2. But I think you should probably remove this first. Memory serves me right, I just pull up as well. Yeah, there it goes. Just pull up. And you have this one big cable here. You want to press down on this right here. You want to press down on that, and you should be able to pull it out. See if I can do it with one hand. There it goes. Out it comes. Those two screws came out. Set those aside. And now to pop this out, first pop this off. There we go. Out it comes. If I can do this with one hand, people, anyone can do this, like anyone. And now what you want to do is grab from the bottom and just pull. Like, see? That's all I did, just pull. Right here, I'm pulling, pull. And now what you want to do is up and towards you. Up, towards you. Set that aside. And you want to make sure all the clips came out, the white clips. As you can see, they all came out. None of them got stuck. For the tweeter, remove this plug. We're gonna use this for now. You wanna remove these two 10s for the tweeter pod. Go ahead and do that. Tweeter pods. Oh, why are these tight? Okay, broke loose. That should be fine. We could probably do it by hand now. Out it comes. Out comes the tweeter. We'll set this aside. We'll work on that in a bit. And because my speakers are aftermarket, these speakers were installed by the dealer. I already have the adapter brackets. You won't have adapter brackets. What you will have is these rivets right here. You see this rivet, and one right here, and another one. I believe this one's it. So what they do is they drill them out, because you have to pull out your old speaker, and they buy these adapter plates that just screw onto the sheet metal, I guess, or you could do it the clean way and use rivets again. But because this is already like that, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the 4 Phillips head that are rusted from God knows why. I'm gonna take these out. I'm gonna cut the video. I'll start again once I got them all out. Got the 3 screws out. You can leave this one in there, and out comes the old speaker. And so remove the clips, or remove the connectors, the quick disconnects. Pull out the speaker, and that's the new one. That's the old one. The difference on these speakers is quite obvious. This one's a way bigger magnet than this one. Speakers all installed. Looks pretty neat. And yeah, let's go ahead and move to the tweeter. You have a screw behind the tweeter. Take this out. And what I did with the other side is I just disconnected the red and the black from here, and I just twist and tied it with the new harness from the tweeter pod that it currently has. And you just zip tie the excess cable length. So let's go ahead and take care of that. So once you remove the old tweeter from the bracket, you gotta put the new tweeter on it. And this new tweeter comes with double-sided tape. It's really sticky, so it should work. And what you want to do is peel it off and apply it back to the plate itself. You want to apply it here, and it'll be enough to hold it. I mean, it's not going to be rocking around everywhere, so I doubt it's going to come off anytime soon. And if it does, then I'll just revisit it and figure out a new bracket. Let's go ahead and mount it. Tweeter's installed. This is what I did. You gotta tighten these up before I put the covers back on, and yeah, speaker's also back on. So just make sure you obviously make sure to put your door panel back on. What you want to do is bring it down like this, not like this, and then push in. These speakers sound amazing, way better than these entry-level Pioneer speakers. I finally got some good speakers in the Corolla XRS. Next step is to get a shallow mount 10-inch subwoofer box for the back. That's going to be a future video, but for now, this is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification button, share this video, and thank you for watching.